Yes, hello. This is Dr. Sheldon Cooper. I'm at 2311 North Los Robles Avenue. I'd like to report a dangerous wild animal. A blue jay. I'm sorry, this is animal control. I don't understand the laughter. No, the bird is not in my home. If he was in my home, I obviously would have called 911. Sir, I have no doubt that there are things that you're frightened of. That being stuck in a dead-end public service job. Or your wife stepping out on you because you're stuck in a dead-end public service job. Or spiders. Don't you think I tried making cat noises?